right. Once outside, hold the town. 16 long hours later. The travel journey is wild. It's so long. Like, my body is literally like, oh my gosh. Still got a while to go. I have to get to Tokyo. I landed in Narita, which is like an hour outside of Tokyo. So I need to go to customs. They have to check my temp because I want to make sure I got COVID. And I'm actually have to do immigration paperwork. After going through customs, I gotta catch a train to mainland Tokyo. I'm not jet lagged, surprisingly. I think because I slept so much on the flight. So I'm not jet lagged, but your girl is like tired. Like, I'm probably gonna eat and go to sleep. Like, I'm so tired. Guys, I want to help you. If you ever are planning a trip to Japan, pay close attention to this portion of the video. These are going to be my tips and tricks on navigating transport. Number one. Unless you speak Japanese, make sure you have cell phone data if you're going to use public transport. And public transport is not hard to navigate. It's not difficult. But if you don't have data, Japan's is. Why? Because not a lot of it's in English. If you can look around and you look at like all the routes, you see a lot of Japanese language. There might be a little English like alphabet here and there, but to actually get to where you need to go, it's very difficult if you don't speak Japanese or you're not a Japan native. 2, if you want the easiest way to get into Tokyo, fly into Haneda, not Narita. Narita is about an hour train ride into Tokyo, and that's not including like decentralized transport. So in total, it's probably going to take you 2 hours to get to your lodging, whereas if you fly into Haneda, it might take you like 45 minutes to an hour if you take the trains. 3, the trains use mobile payment, which is a godsend, but you do have to get a pass. The pass that you guys just saw me get, you download it to your Apple Wallet, and that's how you load your card. 4, the trains are so much more cheaper than Ubers. Okay, now it is a little overwhelming. I'm not going to lie to you. There is a lot of tracks. Like, if you want to get like a full perspective of what the train stations are like, every train station for the most part in Tokyo feels like Grand Central. Or your big stations, like your big central stations in Europe. Just keep that in mind. But it's super affordable and I don't regret it. And it's a good way to get to know the city and like the city culture. And lastly, make sure you have an external charger. Because if your phone dies, baby girl, I don't want you stranded. So if you can do anything, the most important, have an external charger. You guys know I'm a sucker for some water, so let's try some Japanese water. It says it came straight from Mount Fuji, so let's try it. Little ASMR moment. It's not bad. It's not bad. But European water still has the top spot. This isn't bad though. This is better than American, but it's not better than European water. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor. Welcome to my visual diary. If you are new here, I am a travel vlogger, and on today's video, we are in Tokyo, Japan. Yes, Tokyo, Japan. I am so happy to be back in this amazing city. Tokyo is probably out after London. It was like my first like big solo trip that I took. I went for school, business school. I had to do a semester abroad, and so I stayed a week longer because I was like, if I'm in Japan, I might as well like live it up. So this was probably like my first like international solo trip. And it's just so wonderful and great to be back because like I've come back with a completely different perspective. I remember like when I came here, I was so scared. I was like, how am I gonna get around? How are their trains gonna run? Is it safe? Like all of those things. And now that I've gone on several solo trips since and been to several countries afterwards, it's just really, I'm really appreciative to be back and where it all started. I am so jet lagged and the flight was so long. Oh my gosh, like, so I am exhausted. Normally I'm like, let's get up and go, but I'm like trying to listen to my body because I don't want to get sick. I need to eat. I need to get a proper meal because I had airplane food, but I need to get a proper meal and I'm probably going to get sushi. I checked into my hotel, which is honestly really nice. I'm staying in the Ueno area by the Tokyo Skytree. It's super spacious, which I'm shocked by for just one person. Like when last time I stayed in Tokyo, like my rooms were so small. So this is like a spacious room for Tokyo standards. So I do really much enjoy my room, and I cannot wait to use the bathtub when I get back. I'm about to go get some sushi and then eat because I am so hungry. And then after I eat, I'm gonna come back here probably and take a bath and edit for the night and sleep because y'all, that travel plan took it all out of me. And I'm just like, there's no reason for me to super exert myself. Even though I'm exhausted and I had such a long travel day, I am really happy to be here. I love Japan. I've been looking forward to this trip for so long. And I'm just so happy to be back. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, I've already been back and just been so warm and welcomed and appreciated. And it's just a complete different environment from my environment back home in the States right now with our current status of our elections. So to be in an environment that I'm just respected as a person and appreciated and really looked after is just, so restorative and healing to like the inner child of myself and just like the hardships that I'm currently facing in my home country right now. If you're new here, I'm American. So if you are up to date with our politics, there's a lot going on. Let's chill for a second and go get food. So we're back at the hotel, and I'm going to do a quick little haul for you guys because I got snacks. So I went to 7-Eleven, and like the 7-Elevens here are not like the 7-Elevens in the States. They are literally like a true convenience store. They're kind of like, the 7-Elevens are kind of like a Walgreens or a CVS, but they have better food. What I did is like everybody gets snacks when they come to Japan. Like that's the thing. Like 7-Eleven or Lawson, those are like the stores like every tourist goes to. But I had to get water because after the plane, it's really good to get hydrated because the plane is really dehydrating on super long flights. So water is always a must. And then I got some tea because again, I'm trying to like detox, keep my system clean, and give myself like a mineral as like I absorb the water. So I got tea as well. Like these aren't even really snacks, y'all. Like this is just like health. Like now this being a health haul. And then I got a vitamin C, vitamin lemon juice because when I say everybody and their mom has been coughing since I've been here, I got like this vitamin lemon to help with my immune system. I got 2 of them. So I got 2 different versions. I'm going to drink one now and then one tomorrow. So that way, like, my immune system is good. And then I got some of these little, I don't even know what these are called. I don't know what these are called, but they're so good. Every time I come to 7-Eleven or Lawson, I always grab one of these. So I got the tuna mayonnaise and I got the red salmon salt. So these are so good. They have a whole bunch of different types. And then lastly, to top this all off, I got vanilla ice cream. I'm trying to get this open, y'all. Okay, there it goes. Okay. I love 7-Eleven's ice cream. It's so good. It's so good. I love the ice cream so much. It's so good. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to eat this. Like 7-Eleven's vanilla ice cream, bro. Slaps. And it comes in a like the waffle cone too. It's so good. Oh my gosh. But I went to like this really like cute, quaint, like very small sushi spot. And I got sashimi and sushi. The sashimi was okay. My favorite sashimi is yellowtail, and they didn't have yellowtail. For me, it was okay. But the sushi though, the red tuna and salmon, y'all. It was so good. It was so good. It was so good. All it was just the fish, a little bit of wasabi, and white rice. No seaweed, just like not even rolled. It was so good. Like the sushi in Japan is so good. It doesn't make sense. I was like, why is this so good? Like this isn't nothing. Why is this so good? And that's just salmon and tuna, and those are not my favorite. Those are not my favorite. Sushi is yellowtail, and those slapped harder than any yellowtail I had in the States. It was so, I'm just like, it's ridiculous. I had a fall. I fell down some steps because I missed the step. So basically, like there's bridges like that cross over like major like busy streets. They put like these sky bridges that pedestrians walk over. And so like when you're coming down the bridge, like when I'm walking around at night, so I was paying attention, but I was also filming. Y'all, I felt my camera. And the thing is, I was protecting my camera. I was more concerned about my camera than my person. Is that crazy? More concerned about my camera than my physical person is crazy. But anything, because I mean, y'all couldn't fall. Like, I couldn't lose y'all. Like, that's how much I love y'all. But anyways, I literally was walking down the steps, and like the steps have like this illumination. Like when you're on the bridge, like there's like a little like, I guess like a reflective strip on every step. But when you get to the very bottom, like there's no like reflective strip on the step. And the very bottom step looks like it's the ground. Y'all, I completely missed it and literally when I say I fell so hard, I was like, oh my gosh. Like, my knees are so bruised right now and cut. Like, bruh. I was like, what? But I'm gonna eat this ice cream. I'm gonna eat these two because these slap. And then after that, I'm gonna take a shower and edit for the night. What I love most about Japan is their attention to the body and wellness and cleanliness. Like in the restaurants, they give you hand towels to wash. Every hotel, in the Airbnb you stay in, there's always going to be a bathtub or some area to deep clean yourself. And it just really takes time for you to be appreciative of yourself and your body and just take that time to take care of it and purify yourself. And like whenever I come here, I just feel like I'm literally cleansing from the inside out because I'm less stressed and I'm also able to take that time to really take care of myself because that's the culture. So that's how I ended my night. I did my skincare. I took a super long bath. I drank my tea. I had all of the things I needed to just wind down for the night. I also edited a video for a bit for you guys because I didn't want you guys. You guys are always in my mind. Like, there's never a time you guys are not in my mind, so I'm always gonna edit for you guys, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead and close this video out now. There is so much more to come. Thank you for spending the day with me getting acquainted and traveling to Japan, and stay tuned for what's coming, and it's gonna be a vibe.